We have some breaking inputs coming in amid anger over West Bengal doctors' rape and murder. Shocking charges have been leveled against the RG Kar hospital. A complaint against the hospital is in the eye of storm. The lens is now on the hospital's history, troubling history. Complaint by a former hospital staffer has now come to fore. There are several charges leveled against the hospital of illegal management of bodies, of human rights violations. So multiple allegations, sensational allegations that have been leveled against the hospital have come to fore. Now, a complaint by the ex-deputy superintendent of the hospital is doing the rounds. Several charges, including illegal management of bodies, human rights violations, scam in bio-waste management, and also purchasing equipment at a higher rate. We have Sabyasachi getting us more details. Sabyasachi, now the mismanagement on part of the hospital has come to fore, especially after this complaint filed by an ex-official in which several sensational allegations have been leveled against the hospital and its management.
Well, absolutely. See, the former deputy superintendent of RG Kar hospital itself, Akhtar Ali, had given this complaint to the State Vigilance Commission back in 2023 in December. Now, after this complaint was given, where in this particular complaint he has raised grave concerns and irregularities that was taking place in RG Kar Medical Hospital, whether it comes to misusing of funds, whether it comes to renting out of the hospital premises, or procurement of hospital equipment at a higher rate, nepotism, and several other factors have been mentioned in this complaint. Now, what is interesting to note is that once the complaint was given to the State Vigilance Commission, the ACB, which is the Anti-Corruption Bureau, in fact, have forwarded this complaint to the Principal Secretary of the state without initiating any sort of action. Because what is important to note is that at that particular time, Dr. Sandeep, against whom this allegation has been coming in, he was in charge of RG Kar hospital at that particular time as well. See, the complaint note that Times Now has accessed in this particular complaint, he has listed several of the irregularities and corruption that is taking place in RG Kar hospital, whether it is squandering of government money, illegal giving out of asset to the government without prior approval of the Shastri Bhavan and the government, and quotation amount to crores of rupees were given out only to a few of the favorite bidders, evading financial rules deliberately, overruling the accounts officers, and also they are saying that running of Benami business in form of collection and misappropriation of academic funds. So these are some of the serious allegations which has been leveled against.
Right. This is a complaint that was filed by a former hospital staff. We've accessed that. We're playing out on the screen. Let's show it to our viewers on the big screen. Let's go across to Pratibha for more on this. Yes, Pratibha.
Right, Swati. So these are the details. Ex-staffer revealing what was the ground reality, and there are several points that have been mentioned, several violations that have taken place, including overruling the account officers, and it goes on to say civil and electrical works were made to be done by the third parties and not by the PWT. It also goes on to say that there are several financial rules that have been deliberately evaded, misappropriation of academic fund, deliberate and illegal breaking up of work orders to keep it below 1 lakh so that the process goes without any scrutiny, illegal selling of used hazardous biomedical waste, running of Benami business in the form of collection of two-wheeler parking, malpractice while recruiting, illegal transfer of officers, collection of bribe at 20% from the vendors, misutilization of COVID fund for the creation of gym and furnishing of the office. There are several details that have been mentioned, including serious nepotism in selecting the vendors. Only 3 vendors, names of them are also being given. These are the only 3 individuals who are getting the orders. The quotation amount of crores of rupees were given out only to a few of the favorite bidders who were not even eligible to get the bid. So there are about 15 of these points that have been mentioned, the violations that have gone unnoticed until now, Swati.
Right. Pratibha, thank you for getting us those details. We also have Nilesh on the broadcast. Nilesh, we heard some doctors say and highlight incidents of violence against them, and one of them also pointed out it has today come to this stage where a doctor has been brutally raped and murdered. In the past also, Nilesh, we've heard doctors demanding a separate legislation to protect them. I believe you're also joined by some doctors?
Well, absolutely. We are just outside JJ Hospital, which is one of the biggest hospital in Maharashtra, the state of Maharashtra, and we have joined with some very young doctors, resident doctors, and we would like to focus on their hands, wherein they have tied some black ribbons in order to protest against whatever happened against this young aspiring woman, where she was brutally raped and murdered. So we'll just directly go across to these youngsters and we'll just ask what is all going inside their head. आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि एक यंग लड़की का हॉस्पिटल में इस तरीके से दुर्व्यवहार होता है, उसके साथ उसकी हत्या की जाती है, आप सब ब्लैक रिबन बांधे खड़े हैं, क्या आप लोगों की मांगे हैं?
एक्चुअली ये जो घटना है ये बहुत दर्दनाक है। इसके लिए जो कल्प्रिट्स है वो जल्दी से जल्दी पकड़ में आए, यही हम डिमांड कर रहे हैं। और आज हम जेजे हॉस्पिटल में सब रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर, इंटर्न डॉक्टर्स और यूजी के स्टूडेंट ब्लैक रिबन पहन के पूरा दिन काम करने वाले और शाम को कैंडल मार्च रखने वाले उसके रिगार्डिंग। और हमारी यही डिमांड है कि मतलब जो लोगों को बचाते उनके ऊपर ही अभी जो अत्याचार हो रहे हैं, जैसे रेप हुआ, मर्डर हुआ, और ये एक ही इंसिडेंट नहीं और कुछ इंसिडेंट्स हुए हमारे सेंट जॉर्ज जीटी हॉस्पिटल में। जो रेसिडेंट्स है उनके ऊपर भी मतलब ये हो रहे हल्ले हो रहे हैं। तो उसके रिगार्डिंग हमको यही चाहिए कि इसके ऊपर कुछ आर्टिकल्स हो, कुछ लॉ हो उसके पकड़ने के लिए, मतलब जो कल्प्रिट्स होंगे उनके लिए, फिर ये हम रोक सकते हैं। क्योंकि
वी हैव आल्सो जॉइंड विद सम फीमेल डॉक्टर्स। आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, एक महिला के साथ इस तरीके का अत्याचार होता है, कितना सेफ आप फील करती हैं ऐसे बड़े अस्पतालों में?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं। जो भी कल का इंसिडेंट हुआ वो सुनने के बाद तो हम लोग को सोचना पड़ रहा है कि हम सही प्लेस पे है या नहीं, क्योंकि हम हमारे हॉस्पिटल में भी देखते हैं कि कोई सिक्योरिटी नहीं होती पेशेंट के लिए। पेशेंट कभी भी आके कुछ भी बोल सकता है आपको। कल ही एक एग्जाम हुआ जिसमें लाखों स्टूडेंट्स ने एग्जाम दिया है टू गेट सिलेक्टेड एज अ रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर, एंड आज ये न्यूज आती है तो ये सुन के बहुत ही खराब लगता है कि हम लोग जो कर रहे हैं इंस्पायर होने के लिए, लोगों की जान बचाने के लिए, क्या हम लोग सही कर रहे हैं? क्या डॉक्टर की लाइफ सच में सेफ है? हम लोग अगर बचा रहे हैं इतने सारे लोगों को तो हमारी लाइफ भी एज सेफ होनी चाहिए। हम और ज्यादा सिक्योरिटी एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, हम लॉ एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि लोगों का ध्यान जाए इस इश्यू की तरफ। ये बहुत कॉमन होता जा रहा है आजकल, और एज अ फीमेल डॉक्टर हम लोग सेफ नहीं फील करते।
क्या आप लोगों के साथ ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस घटित होता है जहां पर आप लोगों को डर फील होता है?
एज सच कि अगर इमरजेंसी ड्यूटी में होते हो आप तो इमरजेंसी केसेस एक्चुअली होते हैं ज्यादा, तो रिलेटिव्स कभी कभी पेशेंट का नहीं हुआ ठीक से तो उनका वायलेंस शुरू हो जाता है।
So that's you hearing from the very young doctors, aspiring doctors who are here to inspire other individuals, save their lives, because doctor is something, a title that is given just next to God on earth, and these gods, these doctors, future doctors are not feeling safe.
Absolutely, save the saviors. That's the demand of these doctors who are on strike, highlighting the plight of resident doctors and demanding protection for all the doctors. Thank you very much to Adrija, Abhishek and Nilesh for getting us the live reports and reactions. With that, we're slipping into a short break.